So right where this thing plugs in, it gets a lot of movement, and so the hose is old. It's starting to let air leak out. I need to buy a new one, but in the meantime, I need this thing to work now. So I'm going to plug this in, and here's how to tie it up with paracord. What I'm going to do is take a section of cord, fold it in half. The middle part of it, I'm going to wrap around 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Let's get this side on the other. There we go. And so I have 3 wraps right here on my finger. On the other side I have 2. So I'm going to pull my finger out and then put it on the back. And so all I'm going to do from here is do an overhand knot. Just like that knot you first use when you're starting to tie your shoes. There we go. Put this one under so that we get our overhand knot. Okay. Now if you can see that, it's just an overhand knot, but we have 2 wraps going on top. Now I'm going to pull this all tight. Now that's not enough pressure on this knot to keep it from popping off, but I'm going to show you how to tighten it up with 2 extensions. Okay, so I have an extension here. What I'm going to do is put a marlin spike hitch into this side. I'm just going to take a bite of the cord and twist it towards me, and then I'm going to twist that same loop one more time towards me and lay it over the other cord. I have this window here, and I'm going to take my extension and thread it down, behind, and back through. And there's my marlin spike. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and now I'm going to use my feet to push on this side and my hands to pull on this one. There we go. That's plenty tight. That's going to work. In the meantime, here's my air compressor. We're at 130 psi about, and I'll just plug this thing in.
Okay, perfect. Yeah,
No leaks.
I'm in the office tomorrow, so most likely I'll probably be